creators, welcome back to our creature creation series part 7. Can you believe we have made this far? Today we are diving into another creature of imagination. But first, let's take a quick scroll down memory lane and admire all the fantastical creatures we have brought together to life. Let's give a warm welcome to our adorable new friend, Toto. Nostalgia. Now for our next masterpiece inspired by the dazzling beauty of the galaxy. So let's start. Firstly, the canvas size 2048 to 2048 square. Alright, now I'll select a color palette for our cute creature. And then first thing first, we are going to sketch out the basic form of our creature. Starting with a simple circle, we will activate symmetry. Why make one side when you can make two at once, right? Then a little wrench here, a little wrench there, and voila. We have got the beginning of our cutie. So now when the basic shape has been done, now let's add some ears, because what's a creature without adorable ears to twitch? And don't forget the hands, the ears, and of course the mouth. Gotta give it that signature smile, yeah? Now that our creature is taking shape, it's time to add those little details that really bring it to life. A sprinkle of spots here and there, and before you know it, you have got a masterpiece in your hand. It's time to splash some colors. Inspired by the vast expanse of the galaxy, we are going to create a color palette that's out of this world. Think purples, blues, pinks, and a hint of stardust sparkles. And here you go, without messing. How can I work with any of the video? So let's leave that. For more messy things, don't forget to subscribe. But here's a little procreate tip for you all. Want to add some extra pizzas to your colors? Just apply a Gaussian blur with the magic wand tool and watch as your colors blend together like magic, creating a dreamy gradient effect. Now let's add some finishing touches, a blush here, a stomach patch there, and oh, can't forget those adorable highlights and shadows. And just like that, our galaxy inspired cutie is ready to take on the universe. So enjoy watching me adding all the stuff here and there. That's it. Well folks, that's a wrap up for today's episode of our Creature Creation series. We have revisited old friends, welcomed a new member to the family and created a celestial cutie that's truly out of this world. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new creature creation. Until next time, keep creating and stay curious. Bye bye for now.